So let's talk about physics. Now, physics, very scary, right? But it shouldn't be scary. Why should it be scary? Why shouldn't it be scary? Well, a lot of persons may think that you can memorize physics like you do with chemistry and bio, but you cannot because physics is logic and math. So you need to bring in your math skills here. So if you're bad at math, you can get better because physics will need you to use your math skills. Now, you need to know your formulas because a lot of the things do bring calculations, and in every CSEC physics paper there is a graph. So you need to know to draw your graph. You need to know to displace your graph. You need to know to extrapolate your graph. You need to know to draw your best fit line, your best fit curve, and then after each graph, like in chemistry, if the graph is based on radioactivity, they would ask questions on radioactivity like what is radioactivity, what is this, what is that. Now I'm not saying that theory questions won't come because in 2025 CSEC physics a lot of theory questions did come, but they don't just come that they ask you to define certain stuff. They come with application behind them. They come in a way that you have to know to apply what you already know to be able to answer the question. Like, let's say it comes on something about energy, it won't just come and ask you what is energy. It will bring like a guy with a football and be like, what type of energy is being used here, something like that. So let's summarize it. You need to know your graph. You need to know to apply your knowledge, and know your formulas. Yeah, if you don't even want to, you need to know how to calculate because even if your paper has a lot of theory, there will be calculations